SmartPLS-4 makes it really easy to test specific and serial mediated effects. Notice in this model we have a lot going on. We have direct effects from every variable to burnout from management, our dependent variable, and we have mediated effects that go through one variable or through two variables. There's a lot going on. But if I want to test serial, that is through multiple mediators, indirect effects, or specific indirect effects, that is just through a single variable, SmartPLS-4 can let you do that. So you go to Calculate, Bootstrapping. I'm going to run with the defaults. And then we can ignore the graphical model for a moment, just go to the report. And if you go to specific indirect effects right here under final results, we can see all implied specific indirect effects, including serial mediation, such as this one, and indirect effects that don't start with the leftmost independent variable, such as this one. Notice the p-values over here. If they are less than 0.05, SmartPLS-4 turns them green. If they are greater than 0.05, it turns them red, implying non-significance. And that's it, really. This doesn't have to be a long video because SmartPLS-4 automated a lot of what we used to have to do. We can now see every implied indirect effect in our model. If you'd like to take it even further, I suppose you could go over here to confidence intervals or bias-corrected confidence intervals to see the lower bound and upper bound. And you could take a look at total effects. From this we can see that all total effects are significant except from ethical concerns to burnout from management. This one right here, ethical concerns to burnout from management, no significant effect. I think we also noticed in the report that any mediation going through ethical concerns did not have statistical significance. Here's this one and this one. You can see neither of those are significant. But mediation going through resource demand gap or management unfairness was statistically significant. Well, that's it. Cool.